Hey guys, what's going on? Out here for St. Patrick's Day. Got my green on. I'm about to go check out the run group. We got a meet up over here at Tobin Park, Woodlawn Lake. Woodlawn Lake. So it's at the Lighthouse bar. I'm gonna get it turned around so you guys can check it out. Stand by. Look at this lady. Look at this lady. That's my friend Jay. See what we got going on.
Just complaining,
That's the man solo right there.
Oh, good.
What's going on, bro?
Chilling?
Chilling like a villain.
St. Patrick's Day run again. Welcome to the Wilpack Annual St. Patrick's Day run. And thank you to Downtown Run Group and our friends from Speed Doodle for showing up. We appreciate y'all so much. So, we have beer tickets.
Nice. Beer tickets.
I had to rock my shirt. There's a little 50K.
Oh man, that's greened up. That's a good green up. Let's see who else went green.
All right, so
Yes, Andy Vermont.
we're going to make this a race. Not a race,
Gavin, it's changed
but
my
we're going to
radio.
hang you out as you come back. Okay? As you come back. What do you think? Yes or no? Wait, hold on. What do y'all think? Yes or no? As y'all come back, do it now.
A lot of damn people.
All right. This is going to be for one free Lone Star Red or Lone Star Blue beer. That is it.
One beer.
We have non-alcoholic beer. Mineral water over here by the Wolfpack areas. We've got mineral water and we've got several stations around here that have Gatorade and stuff. And it's going to be walking around. If you do not drink beer, please.
How you doing? Oh, just my block. Yeah.
I actually have to buy them. My house. And
or beer. I'm also going to give a strand to Vanessa. She's going to hang out over by.
She wanted to be there. There's no point in us being there. So the flight's set. And then she mentioned like
I'm going to grab the folks that are over here in the
down to like 8 people.
Alright? They're here. Andy's got tickets. Don't see Andy. Vanessa's got tickets. Don't see Vanessa.
The parking lot's full.
Anthony's got tickets. Don't see Anthony.
The main street.
Parking's packed. It is one of those events.
I blended up into this. The Glee version.
I'm doing the version. But you literally act like you're in the show.
No, it's Sylvester. She goes like this.
I got invited. It's a safe space, so I need to meet you guys.
Beer tickets.
It says if I walk away.
in here. Fair use, free use, free use. Fair use, free and fair use.
Hey! Dude, I'm so overwhelmed. I'm like...
Let's get back outside.
I'll see you around.
Right. I ain't seen Schlitz in years. Am I here with the wrong glasses on?
Oh, that one is that.
Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, I had to park around the corner too. Yeah. I thought I almost had to park down the street, but I didn't.
So we'll see how it ends. So the route is
It's probably around the lake. Yeah.
all the way to the end, or what?
Oh no, it's a loop. It's a big loop.
That's what I'm saying, like all the way to the end, or because there's two. There's one entrance like right in the middle, where the it's one and then it goes up, but it's all the way to the.
Oh, for this one, it's just the loop around. I think so. I'm just gonna follow everybody. Well, I think one lap is like.
A mile.
Oh, dang it! It might be 3 laps then.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying.
Whatever, brother. Let's do it. 3 miles. Minimum. Minimum. Oh, I got the wrong glasses. I don't have my running glasses. Go put these back. Excuse me. What's going on, brothers? How you doing? How you doing, guys? I didn't forget you. Damn, fuck yeah. Is that Rachel and John? Hell yeah. Damn, I know a lot of people here. Let's see who we got up there. Oh yeah. What's up, Vince? Hey, what's going on, bro?
All right, you guys, we can take a picture before we get out. So, y'all can this wall. Y'all get this wall. We'll take our photos, and we'll send you guys out again. Plenty of raffle items. You need for raffle items. Don't forget to sign up for the karaoke contest. Again, you need 5 contestants to win $100 cash. Guys, $100 cash.
I still don't know who.
Come on for the picture. Come against the wall for the picture.
Oh.
Again, up against the Lighthouse backdrop, guys. Let's show our friends from the Lighthouse how awesome this run community is. Thank you to them for hosting us. All right, on the count of 3, get out your favorite run group. 1, 2, 3.
That's how we're going. Woo!
I love it. I love it.
I know, it was like downtown road group.
Kick ass job.
You too. Nice to see you.
Great mutton busting.
Have fun, you guys. We're going to be right here for you again. See me for a blue ticket.
Hey, Joe, brother.
A blue ticket. All right, brother.
Excuse me.
This guy's Irish. He's got red hair. I mean, he's ready to go. What's up, man? Good to see you. Blue ticket when you guys come back. Blue ticket when you guys come back. Yes, yes, yes. For sure, for sure.
Holy moly. Alright. This is before we get started. Hey!
Got the Mizunos on too.
Nice. Oh, you got a kilt. Hell yeah.
All right, have fun, everybody. Have fun.
Craziness. The craziness. Look at it. Look at it. One mass of people just going. Craziness. Love it. All right, guys. I'll come back to you after the run. All right. We finished. I'm back. Great run. Got me a little bit more than 3 miles. 3 3/4 to be exact. And let's see what's going on with everybody else to finish. All right.
Yeah,
You know what?
they prescribed it, they gave it to him, and he never took it.
It's like $40,000 worth of medication.
Yes.
Oh, what's up, brother? How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing, brother? How you doing? Hey, where do you get the drink tickets from?
You want mine?
I don't. Yeah, sure. You don't drink?
I'm not drinking yet. When this month is done.
Yeah, same. No edibles for me. No edibles. No edibles and no donuts or cookies.
All right, we're going down too far.
Don't worry about it, bro. Oh, yeah. I'll go get another one, see if anybody else has a good run, brother. Happy St. Patrick's.
I think she's about to pass out.
So we got, what do we got? Everybody's wearing green. How'd it go, brother? How'd it go? Pretty good?
Yes, feeling good.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking
It was
about.
a good run.
That was nice and flat, quick, and it was a beautiful place.
It's a different venue.
Oh yeah. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry. No worries. Excuse me. We'll get out the way. How you doing, brother? Pretty good. Pretty good. Yes. Hey. Hey. See if we can get some drink tickets.
You guys, we are down to about 25 raffle tickets. 25 raffle tickets. As soon as we give the last one out, we will start our raffles. We will start our raffles.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hey, Vanessa, there's your song, Vanessa.
Good to see you.
I went ahead and got the raffle ticket, and I'm collecting drink tickets. I don't know.
I gave mine away.
Yeah.
All right, we are again. We're
All right,
down
I'm
to our
leaving. Have a
last
good night.
raffle tickets. Our
Good night.
last
Good to see you.
raffle tickets.
I did. Well, I finished that.
Busy.
Good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you too. Thursday, maybe?
Yes, on Thursday. Yes, of course. Coming back for Thursday.
Heck yeah, brother. Have a good night. Nos vemos. Wonder if I could get the drone up. Excuse me. Alright, let's go see. What's going on, brother? How you doing? Hell yeah.
Awesome run.
Hell yeah, this is a beautiful run.
I was dying. I wasn't like prepared to run today.
Andy, he's selling stuff from Fleet Feet. Our girls with the Wolf Pack are selling nachos. You guys, nachos. It's a fundraiser for Beach to Bay.
It goes Rachel.
Also, we have the Speed Burro. We've got one. He is selling
Hey, how you doing?
Fiesta medals. He is selling
Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing? Yeah.
Get to be on camera.
Yeah. I don't know.
Gotta say what's up to all my people.
Hell yeah.
I got no people.
Hey, you got people. Hey, these are people. Yeah.
They're all already here.
Yeah. Some of them are drinking, some are not. Everybody should have ran. Yeah. Whew. Now it's starting to cool off. Oh yeah. Whew. Let me get out of you guys' way and let you enjoy your beers. Man.
So we got here and
Never had a beer. Inside the parking lot.
because over there there's like great
You've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
I wonder how much the nachos are. Sorry about that. Yeah, no worries, no worries. See you green. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Let's see, get the light right. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I got the ashy busted lips. I need to drink some more water. And I hope you guys enjoyed that one. And I definitely enjoyed it. Next time I take you out on something else, make sure you guys are getting outside and getting some outdoor therapy. And I'll see you soon, alright? Catch you later. Bye.